always like this. Always a to and from, always a to and from, always a to and from.
But listen, I the mother look and the mother not good and the mother use her daughter name. She over cheese. You know what the mother did right now? The next people life a try cause problem. When you think I gone, she gone now and pray for everything done. She didn't want her next life a chat as we speak. And of course, that don't make no sense. So guess
that don't make no sense, and that's why it not done because it don't have no.
Go on 3 weeks, 2 week reach here, so me respect bling why we come. If it never come a bling,
I see this is going over some 20 years. No, a long time.
No, 3 weeks ago on the media. Me attack it come back 3 weeks ago on the media. And it go every other life. But that's true. We respect Miss Bling and we can't make it over here, sir, on one side. It's one side everywhere, but we have to come over here, sir. We come chat to Bling.
Anja now go come on the media come talk now, because she's not that type of person. But if them dep on a 3-way call on a phone, Anja will cuss and behave. But she never come on the media come talk.
Block them drunk right away. Come talk about who active from who not active, please.
Yes, that one other Bling. I know say Bling. Listen, come on. I know say Bling are real. All the blood clot, you know say Bling. No other court case no about if I Bling are RT.
No, but them for stop it because I don't know the woman from nowhere. Oh, me I go take side. Not even for your side, me don't take. She run out and she fucking drop. I don't know
what she tell you, Bling? What she tell you for your pig side? I don't think you hear one story for pig side.
No, but then I go say me bias and me this and me that and me one bag of something I talk about. Me should have run the lady for them go sort out it privately and she shouldn't come and with it.
I don't understand the energy there. So who them people? People were related to me?
People over there, people one person will always give me over there. I say, me should have tell the woman. RT when the lady, when me click like this.
No, you know, shouldn't tell a woman, no. You are do your own show and in respect you call me and ask me. First, you can't be make this genre for your own and your show.
No, but guess what? But look at this. You see, once me click my life to come out, everybody know me say cash up, Zelle, PayPal, push up his score, one bag of something, right? Now look at this. This woman now give me a chance to talk. Me never tell the people them good morning. She just come up and start.
Not even me too.
Now tell me, I said to her, say, Miss, wait. It's like it I got you. Let me tell you something, Joan. Blood clot, Joan, listen to me. At the wrong place you gone over there, so come over there, so now keep. You hear me tell you, Joan, you not get no justice over there, so. Joan, you not get no justice over there, so you still go miserable no fuck. So if you come and for me, pick side with you, you're going to the wrong place for them take your side. Because all them a look is something where them not go ever get. A one Miss Bling, not two. And if you don't get to yourself, if you don't get me on your side, John, that means something wrong.
But the only reason why we entertain her because she will love the bagga. But when we are listening to the bagga, we understand what she has said. We love the bagga, but we know where the end of the story should not make sense. Because at the end of the day, this is not nothing for come alive. Because you don't give no reason for you see where you eat your daughter. Because one man say him love you and your daughter start going around because she's jealous. Like, lady, you're miserable. You and your daughter need to go start out.
And if she really want me to talk, me can talk. You are gonna come say you feel away because she tell Momo say you Obeah she. Like make it make sense, John. This bigger than that. Because you wanna come on social media with this.
Hey, Miss Blinger, you see if me get two of the family them to come for your life, come talk, it would have be a disgrace. May I tell you, no, because it more tweet than where the on the media know we know.
That's what I'm saying. I can't this why
more. It's way more tweet.
If the woman now get the love, the member you know, the lady come out and say, my mother dead long time. You can't blame the girl.
Miss Blinger, if me open my mouth, it would be a disgrace. As I'm tell you, my family, them and me did live under them roof, Blossom Masters. The woman go as far as she no want nobody bury her. The woman buy her casket before she dead and the woman pay for her funeral before she dead. You hear me I tell you? That was how bad it go.
Never show you how Joe no sense. RT come. The one of them in a denial for years, right? RT come answer me tell them say what due to Caesar give to Caesar, you know. And now listen that's on the life so blood clot corrupt on our cross is a base not going on the life, you know. Cause don't give Caesar what due to Caesar regardless of why now. The man come and take her out her misery. The man say a feminine name the house, you know. That's what the man say now. Before she try sit down now and try to listen more and hear more, our son them up here, I go on the most way. She there so I go on the most way. One of the time it's so like she all want talk to RT. And she can't get the chance. Them now give her the chance to talk. One of the time Milo start talk to her and I bring her down memory lane. John, listen to me. I'm not the one. Seriously, because I act like I'm not listening, but I'm listening very fucking keenly, and I can go toe to toe with all of them about this. Because you see, kids don't forget nothing. Remember, you know, in come back again, and hear the next part again. People now listen to me. Listen to me now. Them breed Milo daughter. Look at this. How the woman feel like, you know? How the woman feel like, you know? Lady, John, how Milo feel like you? Eh? When, how we go? Our son, I say go? How
Yeah,
you
the
go?
son fuck the granddaughter and breed her.
Fuck the granddaughter. Oh, no, don't make her get
after the live before me get me
See confirm that.
Let
See
me come
confirm
down.
that. You know have to come down, mama. You have to stay. You have to stay, mama.
Make you kill your blood clot self, you know.
You have to stay.
So now,
Need the truth.
Milo, hold on. I'm not the Milo side. But as a mother, how Milo feel. If you know how we get deep, we can get deeper than this. Don't fuck yourself, lady, because I'm not the one. Your son fuck the woman daughter and breed her. All of the mother them would depend the live right so. You don't really think that this is nice? Eh? And who fi tell how much night John don't bumble blood, John don't fuck yourself. You understand? Because I would go back in everything and I would people would come. You see I look a batty man son them where you have a come blood clot come style me. Don't do it. Go style on a mama and a brother. Me no business with this. Me there saw me sit down like a friggin' hypocrite that I am. I'm alone and I couldn't talk. I know you me not take on a dirty, stinking, nasty corruption life. I don't want to come in an argument with girl. Don't do it. Me, I want judge will split justice when it is split. Whether you like me or not. So you go run up and down and go over there. So you can't have nothing about me. You can't talk nothing about me because anything me tell you now, anything you know about me, I'm telling you upon the media.